Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to mark a message as unread in Facebook Messenger. If you've ever read a message but needed a reminder to respond later, this feature will be incredibly useful. So, let's dive into this full guide and learn how to mark messages as unread in a few simple steps. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store. Once there, tap on it to open the app. Step 2. In the search bar, type Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with a gradient between blue and pink, featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the app and then select Install. Alternatively, you can hold the option and tap on Install for additional settings. Step 4. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign in using your usual Facebook credentials. Step 5. Now, open a chat that contains the message you want to mark as unread. Step 6. Tap and hold on the chat to bring up a menu of options. Step 7. Among the available options, you'll find Mark as Unread. Tap on it to mark the message as unread. By following these simple steps, you can easily mark a message as unread in Facebook Messenger. This way, you'll have a visual reminder that there's an unread message waiting for your attention. This feature is particularly handy when you're busy or need to prioritize certain conversations. It helps you stay organized and ensures that no important messages slip through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.